Hello everybody, today I will be preparing carnivore muffins, and here I have 2 packs of bacon in this tray. I kind of fold them so they can fit in this tray since I'm going to be using just the small oven instead of the big oven. And here I have some sausages I will be using. These sausages only have salt and pepper, which I love, and they have such a great flavor. Alright, so I'm going to squeeze all the meat that's inside and kind of make them into small pieces and fry them up. And once it's done, leave it one side for it to cool down. Okay, I made them as small as I can. I will leave that to cook on low heat. In the meantime, I will cream up this cream cheese and I will make it nice and smooth and then add my 18 eggs. Okay, so this is looking nice and creamy. You can see this, it's nice and smooth. Now to add the eggs. Next I'll be adding salt and pepper and a pinch of cumin. Next, 2 cups of cheese or more if you desire, which I do end up adding more. Don't forget to check on your sausage. Okay, so here I have my muffin pans ready. Now I'm going to grease them up, spray them with olive oil, and put the paper cups, which I end up regretting it because they do end up sticking, so just don't bother using paper cups. Okay, so now I added a bit more cheese, like 2 more cups. I love cheese. And now I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of pork rinds, which I always grind up and have it ready in a jar. The pork rings will give it a more bread texture, which I like. Now I'm going to add the sausage. Give it a good mix, and now I'm waiting is on the bacon. Okay, done. It looks so lovely. Now I'm waiting is just on the bacon. Once the bacon is ready, I roughly cut them into pieces and just throw it on the batter, and then I will give it a good mix. Okay, so finally it is done. Now I get to put a little bit in each one of these cups, and as you can see, the batter is nice and thick. It's because of the pork rinds. Okay, once this is done, then this will go in the oven for 1 hour at 350 Fahrenheit. Now, you can check with one of these pointy things or use a fork and just put it in the middle. And if it comes out wet, it means it needs more time. If it comes out dry, then it's done. Alright, so I'm done. Now in the oven it goes. It's been preheating already around 15 minutes, so it's ready now to go in. I'll be back once they're done. Alright, so here's the results, my friends. 1 tray is with the paper cups and 1 I did without the paper cups to see how it goes, and which I was right. The paper cups do stick on the egg and I regretted it, but at least I only did 1 of them. So it's a total of 30 of them and they came out really good. My family loved it, even though some of them are not on keto, just me and my son, which he came off. He's on and off, but anyway. I do them mostly for me. I keep them in the freezer, half of it, and the other half I'll leave in the fridge. I hope you enjoyed watching this small video. It's kind of complicated, but you can do it any way you wish. You can put all the ingredients that I have put, or you can put half of it, or do it the way you like to do it. This is carnivore style, of course. You can do it keto style with onions and all that good stuff, any way you desire. Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and share my video, comment below, thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.